What's up, guys? We are over on the moto track. I let Weston come over a little early, and I was right behind him. I got delayed. I come over, and I find him stuck in the mud. He got a little bit squirrely, didn't realize it was quite this wet here, and he is buried.
Right, hop off.
You been stuck there for a while, buddy?
No. Yeah. No, you haven't. Yeah. Because when I came over, you were coming down the hillside.
You got that PW buried, buddy.
Back up.
I didn't realize, look at all this water laying here still.
My feet are soaked.
Mine too.
Yep. Oh my God.
Well, Mom's going mudding today too.
Oh my God. All right. Going across.
Out of the way, buddy. Oh, Mom just got covered.
I got covered too.
It's buried. Oh my gosh, she's mudding.
Oh my gosh, my feet.
Weston, your mom's 8 months pregnant. She's getting your bike out of the mud. Oh my gosh. Hey Weston, look at me. Next lap, you need to go straight just up this grass, okay? Next lap, when you come around, go straight up this grass. Don't come down here, okay? Moto Mom life. Buddy, this mud's gonna be slick. Give it gas. Go. Guys, this is one of those days where I took a pretty good look at the track and said, ah, it's okay, but we didn't go completely around it. There's some deep holes. Krista, but it's just different when it's your kid. He's good. Oh guys, I don't know if this makes me lazy or a hard worker, but I've got a bulldozer and a tractor and disc about 100 yards that way, and I'm up here digging drains with the shovel, trying to get these water holes drained off. I don't know, just seemed quicker and easier. Now, once I get a little bit of time, get the dozer down here, I'm gonna just push up dirt and stuff from the sides and fill in these areas here and this big hole over here and that big hole over there. And those are really the only 3 problem areas that hold water out here bad. And besides that, doing that a couple times a year, guys, the turn track is very low maintenance, and that's why we like it so much, right buddy?
Done doing that.
Yep.
Done doing a TikTok.
I'm not making a TikTok, I'm making a YouTube video.
Okay.
Say hey YouTube.
Hey YouTube.
Will you tell them to please hit the like button
Please hit the like button.
and subscribe?
Subscribe.
You'd appreciate it, wouldn't you?
Yeah. I will do it now.
Okay, go ahead.
You give me it.
All right, guys, he wants to do it.
What's that?
Maybe you should look at the camera. Actually, look at it. Look at the front of it so it's looking at you. There you go. Please like and subscribe.
Say, please watch and subscribe.